Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Josh from Majesty War Media. We out here at Rival Cars and Coffee here in Murrieta, California. As you can see, we're live. We're getting this roller. It's rolling in. We're rolling by. We're doing an on-side car interview here. Anyways, a lot of dope cars. This is the first vlog style content that I filmed in 2026. We are trying out the DJI OM5. It has AI tracking, no wrist gimbal. You guys complain about the wrist gimbal. It's gone. I don't have wrists anymore. See, you can't see the DJI gimbal, but it's happening right here, right now. Anyways, lots of dope cars here. Much more diversity than just Hondas. You know I love that, even though I am deep down inside a Honda boy. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna film some vlog style content. Here we go. Thank you for joining me. And yeah, let's see what dope cars have joined us today. Ooh. James is looking good out here today. The bling on the bling. I be taking a lot of risks and sending it, so we had a moment with this here Evo. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, that was really close. That was so close it brought me to tears. That's how close it was. I almost pooped my pants. Oh my goodness, that flake. The sparkles. The sparkles are so good.
Thank you.
Very nice. Oh man, I love the glitter. And the carbon fiber bits. And it's so clean. Ooh. Ooh, black, the black and the white. We out here, rivals. Cars and coffee. As always, you know I'm a Bug-Eye guy, and my favorite car, no, not my Bug-Eye, Felix's Bug-Eye. He has all of the bits that I want. He's got the lids, what are they, the eyelid covers. I have the JDM grill. He's got the epic hood scoop. He's got the most epic spoiler. The exhaust, I like my rear diffuser slightly better, but he's got like all of the bits and bobs that I want on my WRX Bug-Eye. Anyways, moving on. No, that wasn't any local celebrities in the background. We don't focus on any of that stuff. We don't care about that. Ooh. See, I never talk about the cars. I'm in front of the camera. I'm talking about this car. Check it out. It is obviously a C8 wide body. I filmed him at the Aaron Chevrolet meet in Elsinore not too long ago. One of my favorites, super clean. Yeah, I don't know how he doesn't have any rock chips or anything, because my car is covered in rock chips from being that low. Anyways, very nice carbon fiber bits. What more needs to be said? I got the most epic roller of Dustin Williams AE86 Levin. Truth be told, I don't keep up with his vlogs, so I didn't even know it was him. I almost got ran over. He made a face. Oh, good morning. He hates it when I do that. This is what I do. Anyways, he is out here. Rival Cars and Coffee, Murrieta, California. S15 build. For all you engine heads, there you have it. No, everything is super clean. I like the Gretty accents. The blue hosing with the short ram air intake for the whooshes. As always, ladies and gentlemen, make sure to take action, stay motivated, and I will see you on the next one. Appreciate you. Woo! Peace.